Welcome back to your new tutorial. So previously I have shown you how you can add your UI file into your Python code, and also I have shown you how you can run it using a Python code. So here is a Python code, and there is UI which is youtube.ui. Now in this tutorial I'm gonna make some changes, and I'll show you how you can get a reference from your geo file, and how you can update that combo boxes and the text weave and the labels from your Python code into the run. Okay, so once again we are going to change the title. So every time we need to refer it using a self. So self dot set window title, self window title, and let's make something else. This is amazing. KGP Okay, now let's save it, and I'm gonna run this once again. Okay, so let's close this, and then I am going to run it once again. See here, this is amazing KGP. Earlier it was welcome to KGP. Perfect, now it's amazing. Now what we need to do, now we need to make few more changes. So those changes are such that I'm going to show some text into the subject. Okay, earlier there was no text into the subject text, and now I am going to add some text in runtime. So for that, what we need to do, self dot, and then the reference for that is the subject. If you remember, the reference for the subject text weave is a subject. Let me show you it once again so that you can recall it. Here, see, the reference of this object is the subject. Now what it will do, it will automatically refer to that text weave subject, and then we can set plain text to that subject, and that plain text I'm gonna set this is test email from KGP. Let's save it, and I am going to run it once again. So let's close it here from here and run it once again. This is amazing. See, this is the test email from KGP. In the same way, you can add your text into this message box while in the runtime. So let's do this. For that, what we need to do, I need to add here a self dot message, okay, dot set plain text, and then I can write here, this is the area where you need to put your, what would you say, the HTML code, right? Perfect. And apart from that, let's set that total email. Let's set some numbers to the total emails. So self dot total email, if you remember. Okay, so the total email dot set text, and let's set here total email, let's say 9,878 emails. Okay, and in the same way, let's set total available emails. Okay, oops, self, I need to put here self. So self dot total available emails dot set text, and inside the total available emails I am writing here 100,000 emails, let's say. Okay, perfect. Now I think everything is okay. Now let's save this file and let's run it. So you see there is error. This shows that there is no attribute named as total email. So we need to see. So this is total emails and this is total available emails. That's why it was wrong. So we need to refer total emails. Now let's save it and let's run it once again. Amazing. This is amazing. Now you can see total available emails to be sent is 9,878 and the total available emails is 100,000. And now in the subject message, in the subject, this is the test email from KGP5 has been written, and in the message this is the area where you need to put your HTML code. This is the amazing, this is the amazing. As of now, so I'm going to stop this tutorial here, and from the next tutorial I'll be adding some on-click listener, on-click listener for this these two buttons. Okay, so I'll be adding some on-click listener for these buttons so that user can perform some action. The Python code can perform some action when user press these buttons. So thanks for watching this tutorial, and stay tuned for the next one, in which definitely we will be covering some more interesting tutorial. Okay, bye bye, have a nice day.